In today's video, we are packing for Hawaii and I'm so excited. Let's get our shit together and get ready for this trip because it's T-minus 2 days and we are running out of time. A lot of things haven't come in the mail. I got my nails done. I'm eating a Kinder Surprise because I'm stressed and Kinder Surprises make me feel better. I just went and got my nails done. POV, I'm running around. I'm late for my nail appointment. I don't even have my inspo yet and it's in 5 minutes. And I have to rush and go on Pinterest and find something. And also that was like a really big over explanation. I got these powdered white ones because I'm going on another trip after Hawaii. So I wanted to make sure I don't get sick of them and get anything like too Hawaii vibes. I've thrifted so much stuff for this trip. So I'm so excited to put the outfits together and make sure everything is set. The first thing I'm gonna do is get some inspo from Pinterest and figure out what the hell I'm wearing on this trip so I can make sure I pack the right outfits instead of packing a bunch of random shit and never wearing half of it. Trust me, I'm not always as organized with outfits. I usually just throw everything in and just pack it as is. But this time I want to make sure we have the outfits set so I'm not disappointed when I get there. Anyways, we got a lot to do, so let's get packing. Okay, so my room's gonna kind of just be a mess this whole video. But first things first, we need to get everything I own that's summer worthy on my bed so I can sort it out. I have way too much clothes. There's no way I can see it all in that closet. So we need to take care of that by putting it all on the bed. So let's go. This is literally stuck. On Pinterest and I never did that, so let's go do that now. So I kind of want to tell you guys the plan too while I look on Pinterest. So I leave on Saturday at 2 p.m. and today is Thursday at 5 p.m. but I have a bunch of stuff to do in between that. We have to pack. We have to film this video while packing. We have to go buy individual lashes from Walmart or something. We have to buy sandals because I ordered these sandals and they just never came in. We're kind of screwed on that front. I don't really have any other sandals, so I probably will have to go buy something. I have to go buy a book because I just finished my last book and I need something to read on the beach. And then we also have to drop off Misu to my grandparents' house. And then we have to set up like the travel app for COVID, get our tests. And then in the middle of all that, I have to go to a birthday dinner. Bikinis, 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 bikinis. Okay, this is one of my favorite bikinis and it was literally $2.99 for the top and $2.99 for the bottom on sale at H&M. Okay, so I ordered these bikinis from this girl called Lani Bikinis and she makes a bunch of bikinis at home and she can do any custom design and fabric you want. So I got this little emerald one. I got this cute ass cow print one. I got this tie-dye pink one as well. Okay, last but not least, I got this black one from Nani Bikinis as well. And then I have a bunch from Shein. I have this little paisley pattern. I got this cotton candy looking one. We have this bright blue one from Shein. And then we do have some crochet bikinis as well, which will be really cute for Hawaii. Okay, my collection is actually not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Okay, so we have this little crochet one. These are pretty old. They're from Forever 21. I got this crochet red one, which has really cute bottoms with the little tie on them. I have this white bikini, and that is about it for bikinis. We're gonna put all these back. Oh my god, and I almost forgot all these things I thrifted in my other closet, and all this stuff. So we have this little black crochet dress that I thrifted, definitely coming with us. Got this tube top, my favorite skirt that I'm so extremely excited to wear in Hawaii, and it's this like nude long maxi skirt. This is very earthy Hawaii vibes. We got another bikini cover up. We got this skirt. I don't know if I'll bring it. It's just like this fabric maxi skirt. I do have a pile of things I need to hem, so this is going in that. I'm gonna make this into a midi skirt. I got this yellow midi skirt, another tube top, this little crochet knit thing, this with the denim skirt. It's like this red tank top with a hood. Okay, another bikini cover up that is so incredibly cute. We got some purses. Probably gonna bring this one. Not sure about this one yet. And then I got this like Indiana Jones vibe dress. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I had a little intermission. I went to that birthday dinner. We didn't end up finishing, but I have like a whole pile of clothes I kind of like narrowed down. We just need to try them all on and make sure they fit right and we have something to wear with each of them. So we're gonna do that right now. We also moved to my mom's room because my room's so small and it's so claustrophobic, so I just wanted to have a bigger room and more space to like organize everything. We're gonna film a little TikTok of all the stuff I'm packing. And guys, I'm really excited. The countdown has started. excited. Tomorrow's the day. We have a lot to do today. And yeah, let's get started. As I said, we already narrowed it down, but we still need to narrow all this down. We cannot take all of this. Okay, so we basically only need 7 days and 7 nights of stuff because realistically we're not going to wear more outfits than that, and usually during the day it's going to be like a bikini with like a cover up. That means I really have to narrow down all this stuff. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I have to. We also only need exactly 7 bikinis because I'm not going to be changing my bikini multiple times a day. So we need to like narrow this down. I'm going to try on every single one and I'm going to match them with my cover-ups so we make sure we have like a fit for each one. It down. I think I did a really good job, to be honest, especially for me, because last time I went to a hotel I went for 3 days and I packed a suitcase this big. So for a week this is pretty good. But guys, how cute are these wraps I thrifted? Like, I feel like they complete the fit. I feel like I'm always running behind when I'm packing because literally I thought I was gonna have like a whole itinerary plan for places I want to go and different beaches we're going to drive to, and I have nothing ready. And I have so much to do still. I have to go get laces for my hiking boots. I have to go to the mall, buy a tank top. I have to self-tan. I have to do my eyebrows. I have to shave my face with like one of those like shavers. I have to go do my COVID test, which I'm kind of stressed about. Hopefully it goes smoothly. But there's still lots to do today. Just packing up all my little cover-ups because I feel like every day is going to be a bikini day. Bikinis and cover-ups are set. These are all my like evening outfits because they're like really thin pants and stuff. I don't even know if it's gonna be cold enough to wear them, but I assume so because it seems like it's gonna be like 21 degrees, and I feel like I'd still be cold if it's 21 degrees. I got this little Princess Polly romper that I was gifted. So cute. I'm happy though I have like my outfits mostly planned so I don't have to stress when I'm there, or else it will be like chaos. Look at this cute dress I thrifted. Isn't it beautiful? Like, it's one of my favorites. I brought silk pants. I feel like silk pants is a must for this trip for me. Tell me this isn't perfect in Hawaii vibes, like classy Hawaii vibes. And I heard that in Hawaii you don't really dress up at night, but I just need to dress up a little bit, you know, for pictures. Like, I can't not. Also, this little poofy dress I thrifted. And then we got this little collection here. These are like the extra things that I don't really need, but I really want to bring in case. Like, do I need this? Like, probably not because it's gonna be hot the whole time. And then there's this green one. I probably won't bring this because who's gonna wear a turtleneck in Hawaii? Okay, overalls are obviously coming. I think this is really cute for like over a bikini. Also, all that stuff over there are no's that I'm not bringing. Okay, so still need like underwear, shoes, accessories. There's kind of a long way to go still, but I'm gonna charge my camera before it dies, do everything else I need to do, and then come back to this. It is currently 10:14. My skin is doing something really weird, so just ignore that. I got laces for my new hiking boots, so I'm just
lacing these up. I have to wear them to the airport, so I'm showing up in hiking boots. But we have this all packed. Sienna has her little hat on. Our mom's trying to minimize her packing as we speak. I need to charge my AirPods. There's a lot to do. Almost done. Alright guys, we're officially packed. Still gotta sew some pants, so gotta pack this makeup up tomorrow. For now, we will see you tomorrow morning. Are you ready? See you guys in Hawaii. The rainbow. This is the scan for you.